Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. This video is all about factors and multiples practice exercises. This time, I will not give you some ways on how to solve the problems given, but instead, you are going to answer it and write the answer in the comment section. But if you don't know how to solve the problems given or presented in here, don't worry because I'll be attaching or I'll be posting in the comment section the tutorial video of factors and multiples. Okay, let's review first. What are multiples? When we multiply a number by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, we get the multiples of that number. Just like for example for 12, the multiples of 12 are the following: 12, 24, 36, and 48, and so on and so forth. What about factors? Okay, when a number is expressed as a product of two or more counting numbers, then each of these counting numbers is a factor of the given number. Just like for example for 12, we can have 3 and 4 as its factors because if we will multiply 3 and 4, we get 12. Okay, let's go to question number 1. Out of 52, 62, 70, 82, 78, 66, the numbers that have 13 as factors are A. 52, 78, B. 66 and 78, C. 70 and 78, D. 62 and 82. Okay, all you need to do is to write your answer. Now let's move on to the second question. The factors of 50 are A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 25, and 50. B. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. C. 1, 2, 4, 10, 25, and 50. And D. 1, 2, 5, 10, and 24. Third question. The multiples of 5 all end in 0 and 5. A. True. B. False. Next question. The sixth multiple of 9 is blank. A. 15, B. 45, C. 54, D. 69. We have another one here. 7 is a factor of blank. A. 1, 7, and 14, B. 14, 27, and 72, C. 21, 28, and 42, and D. 37, 47, and 57. We're done with part A. Let's move on to part B. Let's solve some problems. First question, what is the sum of the factors of 100? Next question, Santi's age is a two-digit number. The sum of the digits is 8. It is a multiple of 7. What is Santi's age? Thank you for answering. Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!